Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2018 Boston Whaler 130 Sport. This is a 4-person boat. This is a great boat. It's powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 40 horsepower engine. As you can see, there's bench seat here and back with cup holders. It's a 4-person boat, as well as 2 people could sit up here as well. Enough room underneath this compartment for an anchor and a couple life jackets. You have rails on the inside, your fuel tank underneath there, and a good spot for a cooler. This is an unsinkable boat, Boston Whalers 330 Super Sport. Does come on a trailer. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see it today.